about my IELTS preparation. Thanks to the world of social media, from where I got to know about Western Overseas online classes. I attended the demo and started the classes. These classes are actually like the offline classes. We can interact with the teachers, ask questions and clear all our doubts. Also, it has a basic batch, advanced batch, and now I am in the exam batch. I also happened to attend the virtual workshop and got to know about some useful tips for all the 4 modules. If you are willing to fulfill your desires of going abroad and get your desired band, the IELTS-PTE Virtual Workshop is your one-step destination. Go ahead and register now. Mark the date 27th June. Western Overseas, you make me a believer.
You tell me I believe it.